we have been building an agent which can send you a motivating good morning email every morning. In this episode, we will complete setting up the agent and finish testing it.
If you haven't already, please watch part 1 of episode 5 in my page before this one. If you have, let's wrap up this agent. Next, we're going to configure the email step. Basically, I'm going to make my email address send a motivating email to John. First, you need to create a Gmail connection with N8N. I will create a new credential for this. Click sign in with Google. Now, this is a step that you have to handle with care. This is the place where you will be giving specific permissions to N8N. Notice this permission where you could even let agents delete all emails in your inbox. So select the relevant permissions with caution. Here I'm going to choose a safe option, manage drafts and send emails. And I'm going to click continue. Now the connection between your Gmail account and N8N is successful. Now, taking your attention to this section, you can see the 2 email address, test@gmail.com, that we passed in one of the previous steps. Also, if you can remember, when we were giving instructions to the AI agent in the previous step, we asked it to generate a subject for the email and content for the email. Now we have to tell this Gmail tool, hey, send this email with this subject to John. That's what we are doing in here. Let's execute this step and test it. So just provide a random email, subject and message, and test whether the N8N and Gmail connection is working as expected. Now that we have finished configuring all the pieces in the flow, we can actually get the agent to action. And then you can see each piece of the agentic flow working. And we get the message that the workflow executed successfully. Now let's see whether we have actually received an email. And you can see how the email has been received 0 minutes ago. See the drafted email with the motivating subject and how the email has been addressed to John. So this is a successful test. But for you to receive this email every morning at 8 a.m. as we instructed, you have to switch this from inactive to active. That even when you are asleep, at 8 a.m. you will still receive a motivating email at that time. Hope this inspires you to build your own automations that could run while you are asleep.
Well, friends, that's all for this episode. In the next one, which is the final episode of this series, we will have a think about of some things we have to consider when releasing an agent to the wild. See you then.